Breakfast at the Raleigh household. We got Samara and Sebastian. We got Lily. We got Mr. Parker. We got Delilah Ann. Oh, she's finished. And we got Buddy. Now, if we wait, Buddy might burp. Buddy's also known as Ralph, but we like to call him Buddy. Buddy, are you going to burp? Or are you still eating? Let's wait. He turns his head funny. Look at those mitts. Oh, did you hear that burp? That came out of that little thing. 6.5 pounds. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Gonna burp, Ralph? Ralph, you gonna burp? All right, good one. Very good. I love you, baby. Mr. Parker. Mr. Parker, I love you, baby. Lily. Lily, I love you, baby. You want to look up? But I'll get down there and I'll look at you. Sebastian, I love you. Samara. Samara, you're so pretty. I love you, too.